Welcome back to Swat&Vee Immigration News. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about family-based green card interview, questions for marriage-based green card including minor children under 21 years of age. Let's get into the video. A family-based green card is an immigrant visa that is issued based on a qualifying familial relationship that exists between a foreign national applicant and a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. It is one of the most popular ways of obtaining permanent residency, among other green card categories in the United States. How to get a family green card. A family-based green card is sponsored by a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. Both the petitioner and the beneficiary must prove that they have a qualifying familial relationship and that they meet all the eligibility criteria. Both of you will need to complete a series of forms and submit them with supporting evidence. These documents may vary depending on your category and location. The petitioner will have to 1. File Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. 2. Submit proof of citizenship. 3. Submit the Form I-1864, Affidavit of Support. 4. Submit biographic information. The beneficiary will have to 1. File Form I-1485, Petition Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status, if you are already in the US or on a valid visa. 2. Go through consular processing if you are outside the US or not on a valid visa. 3. Submit biographic information. 4. Complete the medical examination and submit the results. Once the items submitted are processed and approved, you will need to attend an interview at the US Embassy in the beneficiary's country, where the final decision will be made on your application. You will need to be notified of the date and location before the interview. How to prepare for family green card interview. Before your interview date, ensure that you review all the forms and documents. Many of your interview questions will be asked based on the information given in these documents. Going through them before the interview will help refresh your memory, as you want to avoid giving contradicting answers that will affect your application. Family marriage-based green card interview. Questions not limited to how you met. You may be asked some questions relating to how you began your relationship and how it's developed into a serious relationship that led to marriage. Some of the unusual questions for this include 1. How and where did you meet? 2. Where was your spouse living when you met? 3. Who did he or she live with before you got married? 4. When did your relationship become romantic? 5. Who proposed between the two of you? 6. Where and when did the proposal take place? 7. Who witnessed the proposal? 8. How long did you court before marriage? 9. Where and when did you meet your in-laws? Questions about your wedding. 1. When did you marry? 2. Where did the wedding take place? 3. Where was the wedding reception? 4. How many guests were there at the wedding? 5. Who were the bridesmaids and the groomsmen? Where did you go for your honeymoon? Questions about your relationship. 1. When is your wedding anniversary? 2. How many rooms does your home have? 3. Are all the rooms on the same side of the home? 4. Where does your landlord live? 5. Who takes care of family finances? 6. Who pays mortgage or rent for the home? 7. What bank do you use? 8. Do you have a joint account? 9. Are both your salaries deposited into the same account? 10. Can you briefly describe the furniture in your bedroom? 11. How do you celebrate a special family moment? Questions about your spouse. 1. What is your spouse's date of birth? 2. What type of work does he or she do? 3. Where does he or she work now? 4. What is his or her position? 5. What is his or her work schedule? 6. How much is his or her salary? 7. Where was he working when you met? 8. Does he or she have a car when you met? What color? What model? Does he or she still drive the same car? If not, when did he or she change it? 9. How much is owned on the car he or she has now? 10. How much does he or she pay on them monthly? 11. What is his or her favorite meal? 12. Where did he or she go to school? Did he attend college? 13. What did he or she major in? What degree did he or she get? 14. How many siblings does he or she have? Have you met them before? What was his or her best friend? Do you both have mutual friends? These are some of the questions that you should expect during the interview. That doesn't mean the questions will be based on these questions, but it will be helpful if you prepare yourself with these types of questions, including other questions, so you don't get caught up during the interview. Note: a green card holder cannot file for their siblings unless they become a U.S. citizen. Please share this information with family and friends who may need it. You can also help us spread the message by sharing it on all social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!